Welcome back to the Mobile Fun YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest accessories for your devices. Today, we're going to install and discuss the benefits of an anti-blue light screen protector. We'll be installing this on an iPhone 11, but we have many more available on the Mobile Fun store. Right, let's install this and crack on. The installation should not take any more than 5 minutes. In the box with your anti-blue light glass screen protector should be a microfiber cloth, wet wipes, and dust collectors. Before you begin, it's always a good idea to turn off your device to ensure it does not come on while you're installing your screen protector. This can make it harder to see dust particles or fingerprints if the screen is lit. To start with, clean the screen with the included wipes, making sure you remove all dirt from the screen. Now, you'll need to dry it with the included microfiber cloth. Ensure you remove all moisture in this step. Next, use the dust collector and dab it on the screen to remove any dust or other debris. Take your time with this step as it's very important not to get anything trapped underneath the protector. Now, you'll need to carefully remove the back of the screen protector. Make sure you don't touch the sticky side with your fingers. Carefully align the screen protector and speaker grill and then place it down. Press down on the center for the adhesive to distribute across the screen. Now, work any bubbles out by pushing them towards the edge of the screen protector. You can use your finger or the included microfiber cloth. If there are any stubborn bubbles, lift the glass at the nearest edge and push the bubble towards it. If your phone has an in-screen fingerprint reader, you'll need to re-add this to ensure it works as it should. Right, now the anti-blue light screen protector has been installed, let's look at why you might want one. The result is that you don't really see any difference in colour. I can only see a slight hue change when you go off axis. So why might you want an anti-blue light filter on your phone? Well, it's been said that too much blue light from screens can strain your eyes and cause headaches, dry eyes, fatigue, and blurry vision. I think with the amount people are on laptops, phones, and watching TV, it's never a bad idea to release a little strain from your eyes. So there you go, Olixar's anti-blue light protector. It not only helps stop damage to your phone's screen, but also your eyes. Comment below your thoughts on these anti-blue light screen protectors. If you'd like to purchase one, check out the links in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a like.